Hello students, in my previous lessons number 1 to 13, I have covered various topics in optics. Today I have come with some objective questions in optics so that you can practice them. Some of these questions are taken from the 12th board examination papers of Jharkhand Academic Council. Before discussing the questions, let me explain you about the pattern of the questions on the basis of question papers of JAC board for the last few years. In physics, the first group, termed as Group A, contains question number 1, having 15 objective questions with 4 options each, and you have to choose the correct answer. The next group, which is Group B, contains 8 questions numbering from question number 2 to question number 9, each of 2 marks. Group C also contains 8 questions numbering from question number 10 to question number 17, each of 3 marks. And in the last group, which is Group D, there are 3 questions, each of 5 marks. And all these 3 questions come with an option, that is question numbers 18, 19 and 20. Each one has 2 questions, out of which only one has to be answered. So total marks in the theory paper is 70. Group A having 15 marks, Group B 16 marks, Group C 24 marks and Group D having 15 marks. And the remaining 30 marks are assigned for the practical. Keeping the pattern of questions in mind, you can prepare for the examination in a better way. Now I will mention the objective questions with their 4 options one by one, and you can see them also on the screen. First, you try to answer the questions by yourself, and I will give you the correct answers at the end. So begin with question number 1. When a ray of light moves from one medium to another, which of the following does not change? The options are A. Velocity, B. Frequency, C. Refractive index and D. Wavelength. Question number 2. The length of an astronomical telescope in normal adjustment is A. FO minus FE, B. FO into FE, C. FO plus FE, D. FO by FE, where terms have their usual meanings. You very well know that FO is the focal length of the objective lens and FE is the focal length of eyepiece. Question number 3. When light wave travels from air to glass, its A. wavelength increases, B. wavelength decreases, C. wavelength remains unchanged, D. frequency decreases. Question number 4. On which principle does optical fiber act? Options are A. interference of light, B. total internal reflection of light, C. reflection of light, D. refraction of light. Question number 5. In an astronomical telescope, focal lengths of the two lenses are 0.3 meter and 0.05 meter. In normal adjustment, the distance between them is A. 0.25 meter, B. 0.175 meter, C. 0.35 meter, D. 0.15 meter. This question is again related to length of the telescope. Question number 6. Which of the following phenomena shows that light is transverse wave? A. diffraction of light, B. refraction of light, C. polarization of light, D. interference of light. Question number 7. If the refractive indices of water and glass are 4 by 3 and 3 by 2, the refractive index of glass with respect to water is A. 1 by 2, B. 9 by 8, C. 8 by 9, D. 2. Question number 8. If the length of an astronomical telescope is 25 centimeter and the focal length of its objective is 20 centimeter, the magnification of the telescope for normal adjustment is A. 5, B. 4, C. 1.25, D. 1. Question number 9. Huygens wave theory of light cannot explain A. reflection of light, B. refraction of light, C. total internal reflection, D. photoelectric effect. I think this one you can answer at once. This is very easy. These 9 questions are from papers of Jack Board in previous years. The remaining are from wave optics, which are based on principles. Now, question number 10. In Young's double slit experiment, interference pattern is observed due to superposition of two waves of same amplitude and same frequency. The intensity of resultant bright fringe is proportional to. Options are A square, B 2A square, C 3A square, D 4A square. Question number 11. According to Huygens principle, a point source of light emits A. plane wavefront, B. circular wavefront, C. spherical wavefront, D. cylindrical wavefront. You know that the shape of the wavefront depends upon the shape of the light source. Question number 12. In a diffraction pattern due to single slit, the width of the central bright fringe is A. half the width of the other bright fringes, B. same as the width of the other bright fringes, C. double the width of the other bright fringes, D. 3/4 the width of the other bright fringes. Now I will give you the correct options of the questions. In question number 1, the correct option is B. frequency. Frequency of a wave is its characteristic which never changes. Answer of question number 2, option C. FO plus FE. Question number 3, correct option is B. wavelength decreases. Answer of fourth question is B. total internal reflection. Question number 5, the correct answer is C. 0.35. For this, you have to use the expression FO plus FE, which is equal to the length of the telescope in normal adjustment. Question number 6, correct option is C. polarization of light. In polarized light, the variation of electric field vector is restricted in one direction only, which is perpendicular to the direction of propagation of light wave. That is the property of transverse wave. Now, question number 7. The correct answer is B. 9 by 8. The refractive index of glass relative to water is actually equal to absolute refractive index of glass by absolute refractive index of water. That is 3 by 2 divided by 4 by 3 here, which is equal to 9 by 8. The correct answer of question number 8 is option B, that is 4. Here again, you have to use the relation L is equal to FO plus FE. So that FE is equal to L minus FO, which is equal to 25 centimeter minus 20 centimeter equal to 5 centimeter. And then magnification M in normal adjustment is equal to FO by minus FE. Here negative sign simply indicates the formation of real image. So M is equal to 20 by 5 is equal to 4. In question number 9, correct option is D, photoelectric effect, which is related to dual nature of radiation. In question number 10, correct answer is D, 4a square. For question number 11, C option is correct, that is spherical wave front. And question number 12, the central bright fringe is double the width of the other bright fringes. So the correct option is C, double. I hope you will practice finding out more objective questions like these. In the next meet, I will discuss the short answer type questions from group B and group C. See you then.